In 2024, the African Tax Administration Forum continued to lead the charge in building efficient and effective tax systems in Africa. From groundbreaking reform and digital innovation to record-breaking revenue mobilization, ATAF's impact this year echoed across the continent. ATAF provided hands-on technical support to 24 countries. The result? Over $384 million in new tax assessments and nearly $194 million collected within the same year. Since 2016, that brings ATAF's total support to more than $5 billion in assessments and over $2 billion in collections. And in transfer pricing alone, 18 countries benefited, unlocking an additional $47 million in revenue. With 17 training programs and over 2,200 participants from 44 countries, ATAF continued to strengthen Africa's tax leadership. A major highlight was the launch of the ATAF Tax Academy accreditation process and a significant expansion to its e-learning platform. From policy design to legal drafting, ATAF helped shape 17 new tax laws, 6 of which were adopted by member states, 3 model legislation and 4 practical toolkits, including on e-invoicing and joint audits, guided critical reforms. In one standout example, ATAF's digital VAT support contributed to over $142 million in new revenue for member countries. ATAF actively participated in 22 global tax standard-setting meetings, influencing 6 major policy positions. Strategic collaboration with the UN, African Union, OECD, and World Bank solidified ATAF's role in shaping global cooperation. 9 new memoranda of understanding were signed with institutions. ATAF published the 7th edition of the African Tax Outlook, covering 39 countries, a vital resource in continental tax data. Research covered key areas such as environmental taxation and taxing high net worth individuals. 8 peer learning initiatives and the launch of the African Multidisciplinary Tax Journal deepened cross-border knowledge sharing. The ATAF Women in Tax Network continued to champion gender balance through mentoring 50 mentees and 50 mentors, launching the Gender Balance Maturity Model and supporting leadership reforms. ATAF helped pave the way for more inclusive institutions. Women leaders across Africa are now shaping the future of tax. Tools like the Automatic Exchange of Information IT Toolkit and Digital Transformation Workshops have helped member states modernize faster and smarter. ATAF continued its leadership in the fight against illicit financial flows. 5 key tax recommendations were adopted by the African Union. 4 new international tax cooperation treaties were developed. And ATAF's new Anti-IFF's Policy Tracker tool is helping member states stay ahead in the battle against financial secrecy. These achievements reflect more than just numbers. They represent stronger institutions, smarter systems, and a more unified Africa. ATAF's mission is rooted in shared growth and driven by the belief that fair, effective taxation is key to Africa's future. ATAF, building efficient and effective tax systems in Africa.